Tropical cyclone Blake has formed off the western coast of Australia. At 10 a.m. local time this January the 6th, it was located at 16.4 south, 121.9 east with estimated winds of 50 miles per hour and a pressure of 991 millibars. The CDPS has a potential landfall at Wallal on January the 7th, late in the day. Not particularly strong, but we are expecting significant rainfall potential. Up to 10 inches or 250 millimeters could fall over the area. So here's its current position depicted on the map and its wind field there, the southern side having the highest wind field radius, and the current position 16.4 south as said. It's currently 113 miles from Broome, 143 from Derby, 350 from Port Hedland, 449 from Karratha and 637 from Exmouth, all in Western Australia. Well, there are warnings and watches out in effect. A cyclone warning for Curry Bay to De Grey, including Broome, and a cyclone watch is in effect further west from De Grey to Wim Creek, including Port Hedland, and inland Marble Bar. Well, this is what we're expecting over the next few days, the storm to impact the coast there. A very broad system actually, and blowing up huge amounts of convection right now. Moving inland won't weaken quickly, we expect, when it does do that. And the remnant moisture will probably end up reaching the southern and eastern part of Australia where all those wildfires are right now. What you can see on this imagery as well, further towards the northeast there, more red zones. That's high moisture count, and you can see it starting to swirl later on in that forecast. So the Northern Territory region could be seeing a cyclone on the way in the next 5 days as well. Sea surface temperatures around the storm right now, you can see them there depicted in Fahrenheit. We don't have Celsius yet, but I'll convert them for you. 81 degrees near the coast, that's around 27 Celsius, up to 84 further north, that's 29. So the storm hugging the coast, as you can see that large wind field, the green area there is gale force winds. Obviously it shrivels up when it moves inland, but still retaining a tropical storm wind field according to the GFS model for some time when it no longer is a tropical cyclone there. And then it's long gone after that, and you can see a small, compact but strong cyclone off the northern coast there late on in that run. So the GFS running with a 60 mile per hour landfall, that's what we're indicating on our forecast as well. Wind shear is going to be low to moderate, towards the moderate side in the next 24 hours. Sea surface temperature is not a problem, relative humidity is also pretty good. The main problem that the storm's going to have really is itself, and of course land interaction along that coast of Australia there. Typically the dry conditions there mean that the storm weakens, but you can often get brown ocean effect conditions along the coast in this particular region, where the storm gets some extra energy as it moves inland from water already on the ground. Well, there it is right now. You can see the massive blow up in convection. This is why it could be a significant rainmaker along the coast there near where it is right now. It could reach 250 millimeters. Same too for the landfall zone, and out towards Port Hedland we could see 50 to 100 millimeters of rain, and possibly more if the storm tracks further west. You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com. You can also find our YouTube channel if you're not there already. You may well be. Good chance of that. Subscribe if you haven't. You can also find our Facebook page, search Force 13 all in text, and our Twitter handle, it's at Force 13 on there. You can also help the project become even better by becoming an Ultimate Fan on YouTube. To see the full list of Ultimate Fan benefits and to join, visit youtube.com/force13/join. With a special thanks to our top supporters this month. You can also check out our growing merch store so you can show Force 13's colours wherever you go. You can also find a link to our Discord server underneath this video in the description.